Imagine sipping on a glass of wine that's not from your typical grapevine, but from a coconut tree. Yes, you heard that right. This unexpected elixir, known as coconut wine, invites you to a world of exotic flavors, unique to the tropics. Resonating with the cultural heartbeat of numerous regions around the globe, this wine is not just a beverage, but a harmonious blend of tradition and taste. Now that we have piqued your interest, it's time to delve into the fascinating process of making this tropical delight. The journey of coconut wine begins in the lush groves where the coconut tree is in bloom. As the sun rises, the coconut farmers, armed with their sharp tools, climb the tall trees with a mission: to tap the precious nectar from the coconut flower. This process, called tapping, is an art in itself. The flower must be cut very gently to allow the sap to flow, but not too deep to harm the tree. The timing is crucial too. The best sap is collected in the early morning, when the temperature is cool, and the sap is fresh and sweet. This sap, rich in natural sugars and yeast, is the primary ingredient for our coconut wine. Once the sap is collected, it's time for the magic to begin. The essence of winemaking lies in the art of fermentation, and coconut wine is no exception. Now let's delve into this fascinating process. Once the sap has been collected, it's poured into large containers where it begins its transformation. The magic happens as yeast starts to consume the sugar in the sap, turning it into alcohol. This process can take anywhere from a few days to a week, but patience is key. The environment plays a vital role in the fermentation process. A cooler temperature slows down the fermentation, while a warmer climate speeds it up. However, for the best results, a moderate, stable temperature is preferred. The sap's journey doesn't end there. The fermentation process continues, creating a complex array of flavors that define the unique character of coconut wine. The sap, once sweet and innocent, now carries the bold and robust flavors of a fine wine. After days of patient waiting, the sap transforms into the exotic drink that is coconut wine. From the tree to the bottle, the journey of coconut wine is a testament to the versatility and wonder of nature. The final stage sees the wine filtered to perfection, ensuring a smooth, clear elixir. It's then delicately poured into bottles and stored just right to maintain its unique freshness. The flavor? Imagine the crisp taste of a tropical morning, wrapped in the subtle sweetness of coconut. And there you have it, a bottle of tropical sunshine, ready to be uncorked and enjoyed. Coconut wine is a testament to the beauty of nature's bounty and human ingenuity. Unearth more such captivating tales and global narratives. Unleash your curiosity. Before you go off to find your bottle of coconut wine, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more fascinating journeys into the world of food and drink.